Hello friends and welcome to Mind Wars Masterclass. I am Shilpa Karkhanis. I have been teaching history for grade 9th and 10th for last 30 years. And today we shall be talking about the first great war that this world experienced. The First World War. Now my question to you is, why First World War, which happened 100 years ago? Is it necessary for us to know about it or study about it almost 100 years later? Well, my answer is that we always learn from our past experiences to avoid mistakes, adopt good and give away bad. So, now the First World War, as we know, is also known as Great War. That's because the war marked the turning point in the history of world. The war was fought on worldwide scale and affected almost all the countries of the world. War began in Europe in 1914 and soon engulfed the whole world. The war was fought between two groups. The first, Allied power, which consisted of England, France and Russia. And second was Central power, which consisted of Germany, Austria, Hungary, which was also known as Triple Alliance. Now let's understand what were the causes of this First World War. First, aggressive nationalism. It basically means excessive focus on one's own nation and hatred for other country. In early 19th century, most of the European countries worked solely on their personal own interest. Like France wanted Alsace and Lorraine from Germany, Italy wanted territory of Trentino from Austria, and Serbia wanted to control over Slav nation, that is Balkan territory, and which resulted in increasing military power. Every powerful nation started increasing their military power to gain this territory. The next cause of this war was imperialism, which basically means the powerful nation would establish its control over other country either by political pressure or outright war, and once conquered would claim that country as colony. These colonies were governed and ruled by imperial power. By the end of 19th century, England and France had built huge colonial power in Asia and Africa. Another cause of this war was race of armament. Basically, all powerful nations started stockpiling their arms and ammunition in name of self-defense and preservation of peace. As a result, it filled the atmosphere of fear, apprehension and mutual hatred. For example, Germany built a powerful navy in order to achieve parity with Britain and also built a larger ship, the Imperator, and dug Eel Canal deeper so that battleship can enter waters. Because of this, Britain and France were concerned with growing power of Germany, which created a race of armament in Europe. Now, the main trigger point of this war, that is Sarajevo crisis. This Sarajevo incident is related with assassination of Austrian Prince Archduke Francis Ferdinand. He was assassinated on 20th of June 1914 by Serbian nationalists. Assassination was organized by a secret society called Black Hand. This society was formed with a view to unite all Serbians. Austria served an ultimatum to Serbia, making 11 demands. Obviously, Serbia refused to accept the demands of ultimatum, and so Austria declared war on Serbia. Therefore, Russia entered the war in support of Serbia. So Germany declared war on Russia and later on France. So the First World War started in 1914 with German attack on Russia, and soon many countries joined the war, either supporting Serbia or Austria. Now let us understand the main events of this war. This war was fought in different areas. On Western Front, Germany marched into Belgium to attack France. And on Eastern Front, Russia attacked on Austria-Hungary. The war was fought outside Europe too. And in Middle East, the war was fought in sea. Allied power attacking Ottoman Turkey. The most interesting and dangerous part of this war was trench warfare. Armies dug series of trenches in order to launch attack and defend themselves. But living conditions in these trenches were pathetic. The soldiers endured food shortage, lice, poisonous gas, cold, and dirty stench of dead soldiers. Another event is the entry of our hero, that is, America entered World War. In 1915, German U-boat sunk British ship Lusitania and killed 1,153 passengers, out of which 128 passengers were American. So, anti-German feeling roused in America, and America declared war on Germany on 6th April 1970. And now England, France and America together launched military offensive in April 1918, and Germany and her allies collapsed one by one. Thus, Central Powers surrendered and war was ended. Did you know how terrible this war was? 70 million people fought in this war. 9 million people were killed and 7 million people were injured. Expenditure for Allied power was 41,000 billion pounds, and for German side it was 15,000 billion pound. And if we try to calculate it in today's date, it is out of reach. After the end of this war, victorious power met at Versailles in Paris and signed a historic Treaty of Versailles between Allied power and Central power. Let us understand the terms of this treaty. Germany was declared guilty of aggression and was required to pay compensation of $33 billion. Having lost so much of money, Germany also lost her territory of Alsace-Lorraine to France, Danzig port to Poland, Schleswig to Denmark. Coal mine of Saar province was ceded to France for 15 years. Also, German army was restricted to 1 lakh soldiers, 15,000 men and only 24 ships. Germany lost her colonies to Allied power. There was territorial rearrangement in the world as the treaty changed political map of the world as European boundaries changed. Finally, the world leaders realized need for an organization that would prevent such war in future. And League of Nations was formed in 1920. The main objective of this organization was to bring peace and harmony in the world and to solve disputes among the nations peacefully and with mutual understanding. Finally, the Great War ended with the harsh Treaty of Versailles that sowed the seed of dictatorship and Second World War. And now what's dictatorship? Let us understand this in the next episode of Mind Wars Masterclass. Till then, be curious and don't forget to log on to ZEE5 to play Mind Wars.